Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Auburn local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers is an all-inclusive moving enterprise that can handle your moving needs to and from Auburn. We aim to provide highly specialized moving services handled by experienced professional movers in Auburn, Alabama. Some of the moving services provided by professional movers such as 3 Movers include local moving, interstate moving, overseas moving, office moving, residential moving, crating and packing, automobile freight, storage, insurance. The moving services mentioned above mean that shipping can be so easy for you when you hire an experienced company such as 3 Movers. Rest assured, your property is safe and is in the hands of seasoned professionals. A local move involves a move within 50 miles from your current location, according to most movers. If you intend to go past that, you are moving intrastate, and such a move would cost you considerably more. Ideally, local moves are an easy task and should be completed in a maximum of 3 days. If you have pets, no need to worry, the distance is relatively small. Therefore, managing the animals is doable. Also, the price will most likely be very low because the distance is small. Moving costs largely depend on the company that you've hired for this task. You can get a couple of estimates and choose the option that works for you. However, at 3 Movers, we give you a very fair estimate that is almost certain to work for you. Some of the factors that freighters consider when giving you an estimate of the freight costs include the total weight of your properties, the distance to be covered from your current location to your destination, the number of agents required to help you move, and how fast you want your items shipped to the destination. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.